Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to compare two dates in your digital chatbot marketing. This feature is very helpful in situations when you need to know if date 1 is before date 2 and vice versa. All you need to do is to get the dates. Convert the dates to the total of seconds and save them in a number custom field. Use a condition to check the highest number. The highest number represents the highest date. To convert date to seconds, please follow this format. There you have it. You just learned how to compare two dates in your digital chatbot marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.